Hi, if you want to fix Nvidia control panel not showing up display settings, these are a few steps that you can take to try to solve that. The first one is checking if our graphics card is actually connected to our PC. So you're going to go into Device Manager, just type in Device Manager, and you want to find Display Adapters. And on Display Adapters, you can see I have Nvidia GeForce RTX 3070 Ti, so my graphics card is connected. Next, what we want to do is you need to go into your GeForce Experience. So I can just type in Experience here, GeForce Experience, and you want to check if your drivers are up to date. Sometimes the control panel will not show display settings if your driver is not up to date. I'm not going to upgrade the app right now. And here under drivers, top left, you just click on drivers, and there are some new drivers for me. You can click Express installation, and it will take you through the steps. Once the installation is complete, you can check the Nvidia control panel again and see if the display settings popped up. The last thing you can do is you can go and type in services. Now here in services, we want to go down until we see Nvidia. So Nvidia display container and Nvidia local system. Now, as you can see, this line right here is the status, and this is the startup type. So if for these two processes right here, display container and local system, you want to make sure that they are running and automatic. So mine are on running and automatic. And if they are not for you, you can right click, go to properties, and then startup type, set it to automatic. And as you can see right now, it is running. If it is not running for you, you can click the start button right here. And that's about it. Those are the three solutions that I have for you. They should solve your problem. And when you go right click Nvidia control panel, you should be able to see the display settings right here. Good luck.